Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson back again today with another 8 trades. Today's date is August the 26th and I'm using my Master Scalper trading system. Has this Master Scalper, that's this moving average that changes from blue to red, and of course it has these arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. Now you will get an audio sound and you will get this pop-up box here suggesting to buy or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, right here, that's AM New York time. I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course looking at my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, analyzes the charts from the monthly right down to the 30 minutes, does a bunch of calculations, and within the comments here it'll either say look for bearish trades, bullish trades, and some will even say preferred. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are failing. Please keep in mind once you get the different tools for trading, such as systems and the daily trade plan, well, you still have to learn how to use it. And one thing I do offer after you buy from me, I offer support. After all, you will have questions, and if you can't get your questions answered, well then these tools just won't work for you. So please keep that in mind when you're buying systems, different packages. You have to be able to pick up the phone or go on Skype and get answers to your questions. And of course I give support for free. And without support there's probably a good chance you'll still fail at trading. Now if you have any questions regarding the daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Now we can take a look at these trades here. First one I did, well, looks like it turned into a loser. And as I teach, you got to keep your losers as small as possible. And of course, you got to have a lot more winners. And of course, let some of the winners run. Anyhow, let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now at one point, especially from here up to there, that was a winner. But wasn't paying close enough attention and I let a winner turn into a loser. So I was right when I took the trade, and it was a winner at one point of 14 pips, and then it turned into a loser of about looks like 16 pips, and that's why you see a negative $108 here. Okay, moving right along to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. This one I wanted to sell it, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, and this one also went a little bit against me, but finally went in the direction I thought it was going to go in. So I took the trade at this cursor, and eventually I closed it out at this point, locking in looks like 20 pips, and that paid out $130. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Let's drag and drop this up. This one I wanted to be selling it. So I took the trade at this cursor, and eventually I closed it out being a winner. Looks like locking in about 21 pips, and that paid out $155. Another tool I highly recommend you get your hands on it is this Fibonacci tool. All you got to do is click on this little tab right here. You're going to go from swing high to swing low, which is right here. There's your pullback. Hit entry number 3, as you can clearly see. So if it hits any of the entries, it'll generally, as a rule, and it's not guaranteed, but it'll hit most times target 2, 3, 4, 5. And on this day, it did hit 5 right here. And it can continue on its way, going all the way to target number 10. No guarantees, but you just never know. For sure, well, not 100% for sure, but it could also hit this ADR right here. Now, if you have any questions regarding this fib tool, well, there's some information about it right below this video. And of course, you can also just get in contact with me. So, moving right along to the next trade. Euro Aussie. Here we go. This one I wanted to be selling it. Let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Can show you that again. The fib tool, it works great. The reason it works great is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. Again, you would just, in real time, you just wait for a move, then a pullback. So you can go Fibonacci from here to here. You'll catch the move, or you can go from here to here. So let's do the second push. Swing, pivot high, swing, pivot low. Did a pullback right here to entry number 3 again. And on this particular day, it actually hit target number 6. So let's see where I did get in. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out. At this point, it was a pretty good point to close it out at, locking in 28 pips, and that paid out $189. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Here we go. This one I wanted to be selling it. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan. The trade setup did qualify for a great way to trade. I knew it was going to be a winner, 95% certain of that. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy. Looks like with about 30 pips, and that paid out $229. Moving on to the next trade I did, which was gold. Here we go. Easy to see this should be 54.3 actually. Let's just go with the 54 tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. Had a couple of red arrows. The scalper was red. Daily trade plan said good to go. And from here down to there, that's just like a pullback, and once it breaks through, it's just a continuation of a trend reversal. I teach all of this information within the training videos. So what do I say? 54. If I stayed in down to here, I would be 135, but I was happy with the 54. There it is right there. 54 ticks, paying out $543. Moving right along to the next trade, which is crude oil. This one here pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, easy to see this should be 76 ticks. So I took the trade at this cursor. I closed it out up there. Daily trade plan, arrow, white arrow, super signal. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Scalper was blue. Easy decision to make. So I bought it and away it went. giving me, let's see, 76 I said. There it is right there. 76 ticks, paying out $760. Okay, let's move on to the last trade here, which is NASDAQ. Now let's see where I got in at. So just drag and drop this up. So I took the trade at this cursor. Everything was perfect. The daily trade plan, the scalper, super signal arrows right there. I knew it was going to go down. And in a moment I can throw a Fibonacci on it. I can tell just by looking at it that you can apply it. Obviously I left a lot of ticks and money on the table. If I would have got out over here, it's at least 190. But on the NASDAQ, in case you didn't know, it does pay $20 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 20, and the calculator says it's approximately 49. So let's go and look for that 49. There it is right there. 49 ticks, paying out $988. And as I mentioned, the fib tool works on any instrument that your broker offers you. So you would click on the fib tool, go from swing high down to swing low, right here. There's your pullback rate on this candle. Actually, this is where I closed it out, and I could have stayed in the trade as I knew it was going to continue to go down, but I'm only looking for 200 pips and or ticks. And on this day, I know I got over 200. So that's where I closed it out, just being happy. And so if it hits any of the entries right in here, it'll usually hit at least target 2, 3, 4, 5. And looks like today pretty much almost hit target number 7 right there. And it does go down to 10, which is right there. And the ADR is right here, this blue dotted line. So, like I said, fib tool works great, as millions of traders all over the world use it. Highly recommend it. And of course, if you have any questions, you can look right below this video, or you can just get in contact with me. So let's see now. I added up all of the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be over 200. Total came to 261, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,888. So if your system's not producing like my master scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan, and don't forget about this FibMaster tool. Now, if you have any questions or you want to buy anything, well, just get in contact with me. And to do that, all you have to do is look right below this video. You'll see in the description a banner, the word more. Just click on that, opens up another window, and you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I actually do answer the phone, unless I'm busy, of course. And if you can't phone me, well, send me an email. Now, I really do prefer Skype, so I made it easy for you. There's a link there, Skype link. All you got to do is click on it. At that point, all you got to do is click on that link. We'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype, at that point, I can answer some of your questions. Now, you'll also see in the description 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. And I do have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. And as I mentioned many times, you will be needing a lot of education. If you don't buy enough education, you will fail at trading. Trading, as many traders have told me, it is very, very difficult. Some even say it's more difficult than becoming a doctor or lawyer. So remember, enough education, and eventually, as my mentor told me 18 years ago, you get enough education, and eventually you will succeed at trading. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe, okay?